rock star lifestyle. I've been dreaming, I've been thinking about it for a while.
So day 3, only cucumbers. Been on my journey so far. Last week, 7 days, raw food. This week, only cucumbers, tea. This is something that I don't really recommend for everybody. If people are still eating processed foods, I would work up to it smoothly. Don't be aggressive and jump right into a cucumber cleanse. Go a couple days without processed food, do some raw food, just cook regular good food like some Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and all that, and start introducing some fruits, some good fruits. And then you could start cutting back so the body doesn't have such a shock so quick, because that could be dangerous for some people and their body. Doing some stuff on my laptop, bro. Yo, to be that 1%, you gotta do things that people don't regularly do. To be different, you gotta do some stuff that people just don't regularly do. To have a nice body, you gotta do some stuff that people don't regularly do. You gotta do what the average doesn't do. To be wealthy, you gotta do what the average doesn't do. To be wise and knowledgeable, you gotta do what they don't do. Do you see where I'm going? It's up to you to define your path. What I say is, like, try to do the most you can to be able to do what you enjoy during the day. That's what's important. That's what's important. Being able to do what you love in your life is what is important. And be able to sustain that. Be able to keep that. Be able to roll with that, you know? That's big. That is big. Cucumbers, man. Last night I didn't eat until almost 9. Right? I didn't eat until almost 9. That's crazy. I did some calisthenics, and then before I went to bed yesterday, I did 2,500 meters on the row machine, 10 sets of 250, with about a minute break in between. But on the row machine, I mean, I go pretty hard, but I try to engage my lat the whole time when I'm rowing. So, like, I try to engage my whole lat the whole entire time. So another thing is too that I realized that some people might go through if they try to detox and cleanse their body, is when the body now starts to push out all the mucus out of your stool. What's gonna happen, what could happen is it could get sticky. So some people could get constipated, and you know, so there's ways to heal that and get that moving. You got to eat a lot of fiber, and not even just that, just a lot of herbs, herbal detox and herbal cleanse, like burdock root and dandelion tea and ginger, maca root, and so all that stuff too could help you. Moringa will help you, you know. Yeah, the last 2 days I didn't have moringa. I gotta have moringa today. I gotta go buy water, and then I'm gonna get some moringa. Trying to stay strong, man. Trying to stay strong. I'm not even thinking about food. What I told myself before I started this was, when I'm able to cook my own food after this, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna be grateful for it. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm not even looking in the future to look forward to that. I'm just here in the moment, in the presence. But that's what you gotta tell yourself if you ever do think about eating something and you're going through what I'm going through right now. No, you gotta tell yourself this. Look, I could do this. I'm mentally strong. Look, you know what I told myself? This is what I told myself last night. I said, this right here is the test that I'm putting myself through of how disciplined I am, that I've gathered, like how much mental strength that I've gathered, how much spiritual strength I've gathered within the last 3 years. Within the last 4 to 3 years, how much did I gather with that discipline? Ever since I started working at that factory, I started my discipline. Like, started working out. I went vegan. I stopped smoking, you know, like, so cold showers, all that. So I want to see how much discipline I earn. And I said to myself last night, look, I'm going to do this week, and there shouldn't be no urges. I'm well over all that. I'm stronger than all that. I'm in control of my body. I'm in control of what I should. So it didn't bother me. It didn't scare me to try to lose if I lost muscle, which I don't believe in. I don't believe that I lose that. I feel like my body should shape and strengthen itself within my mindset of who I am, right? Because your outer is the looking at your inner, pretty much. So I'm just shaping myself. And like I said, I'm healing the inside and I'm healing all my organs, so then I can rebuild and replenish my whole body with like real nutrients, real cooked, real great, amazing nutrients that I'm gonna make myself. I'm gonna get me a little stovetop and I'm gonna make my own food from now on. I'm not gonna go eat out. Maybe I will once in a blue moon just to enjoy myself. But honestly, I can't wait to cook the meals that I'm gonna make, because I make some great food. And when I make my food, I'm putting my love in it, I'm putting my healing in it, I'm putting this greatness in it. And that's where the healing comes too. That's another part, is when you're putting your mindset and your energy and your vibrate, what you're thinking at, you're putting your energy towards it. Like, you could feel that. So you imagine like somebody else is cooking your food and they putting that energy towards it, and they're going through a bad day. Like, that's going in your food. Like, and people don't think about that, but there's a whole bunch to it that adds up. Where the food's coming from, how the food's grown, this, that, and the third. It all adds up. But anyways, yeah, I'd rather really honestly do that. Is cook my own food now. Forget about it. I'm not, ever since I was living with my aunt, I started cooking my own food. I was doing great meal prepping and all that. And then when I had to leave and live in my car and all that, I didn't get the stove. Like, I should have done that. I should have got the stovetop and cooked my own joint. I didn't think about that. And that threw me off a lot. And I'm all set. I'm all set. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. Day 3, only cucumbers. I'm being straight up with y'all. Y'all see the results when I show my abs in the 2 week before, the 3 week before, and how much in a month. But that ain't even about it. It's not about the abs. The abs is there anyways. I wanted to clean out all that unnecessary fat that was over my stomach is from the processed food. I promise you on everything, that's what that was. And my body was storing that. And then what happens is the body doesn't break down efficiently, so then it keeps storing, right? Now, I'm all set. I want my body to run efficiently so I don't have to store it. You feel me? Hey, yo, bless up. Stay amazing. Stay wonderful. Stay spectacular. It's your boy TF. Tough for the true facts. Woo! Full of energy, but I hide some of my energy because I gotta store it, because I'm not eating all the stuff that I all need. You know what I mean? I'm healing right now, cleansing. But yo, stay great. Peace.